Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In my last video, I showed you my homebrew Azimuth elevation rotator controller that I built for under 40 bucks. Today I want to show you a brand new feature that I just added, automatic Wi-Fi setup with AP mode. This makes the controller way easier to configure, especially if you're setting it up for the first time or moving it to a new network. So here's how it works. On boot, the ESP32 looks for saved Wi-Fi credentials. If it doesn't find anything or it can't connect, it automatically drops into access point mode. Basically, it creates its own temporary Wi-Fi network. You just connect to it with your phone or tablet, just like any other Wi-Fi network. No reflashing the microcontroller, no hard-coding Wi-Fi credentials. Once you're connected, it serves up a simple config page where you can select the network name, type in the password, hit save, the controller reboots, and from that point on, it'll automatically connect to your network every time it powers up. This might sound like a small thing, but it really smooths out the whole experience. It makes the controller feel more like a polished device, something you can take portable, use at home, or hand to another hand without walking them through flashing code to the microcontroller. I've got more features coming too. Improved tracking, pass prediction, and a cleaner UI. So if you're into DIY ham radio gear, hit that subscribe button and stick around. Thanks for watching, and 73 from WA1JAY.